This is Sundpey, 285 plus tools, options to replace tie wraps and electrical tape. We're going to show you this all-in-one toolkit, great for the household, to automobile, anywhere that you need to take tools with you portably. Inside here you have a tape measure with a hook, a lanyard strap that opens up to a good 6 feet. Nice size number in English and metric. The spot for it's on the top with metric 14 millimeters down to 8 millimeters open end, close end wrench. And they have about 5 different sizes: 14, 13, 12, 10, and 8. Above it, you're going to have Allen keys. The Allen keys range from 1.5 up to 6 millimeters, and they have a spot for each of them as you need, and they have the numbers on the side. Right next to that will be the electrical tape, multi-purpose tape, in case you're doing any electrical work, that you have a wire stripper that you can strip your wires along with breaking a number size of bolts. Now this is spring loaded and it is locked by a tab over here that opens up. And above that you have a tool set of Phillips, flatheads, carpenters, and the extension in case you need to put in a drill bit or a drill handle. Along the center of the unit, you're going to have a precision Phillips screwdriver, different sizes, flatheads, different sizes, and they got grips and a rotating handle that you can simply do your work with. 4 different sizes of precisions. Next to that, you're going to have some Phillips, an extension, and the flatheads. We talked about earlier about the little tip that we could extend on here so we could put sockets on. And I'll show you what that looks like right here. You put this piece on in here and you're able to put an extension to a socket, as well as putting on those carpenter bits as well. So you have all different sizes of a screwdriver and socket driver. We have some tie wraps. You can replace the tape and tie wrap as needed. Little multi-purpose of anchors, screws, and cable ties that you could bang down with the supplied hammer and take out with the supplied plumber's wrench and pliers and so forth. On the other side of the unit, we have sockets and extensions to the sockets. We have from 13 millimeter all the way down to a 4 millimeter, all the different types of sockets that they all go into a particular spot, and with an extension over here in case you need to extend it to a different size and all. We have a nice flat pliers with the cutters. They got a nice grip handle. You have a nice needle nose with the cutters as well, a nice grip handle, two-tone color. And you have a small plumber's wrench that's adjustable from a small to about 1 inch in size. Then you have an open-end crescent wrench that has an adjustable line up to about 3/4 to 1 inch. If you need to extend your sockets, you have your extension. And you have plenty of bits, all in Phillips, all different sizes, duplicates, and they do come apart. And you have all the flatheads and carpentry and some Allen key ends, H4s, 3s, 2s, all the way down to H1.5. They all have a spot for it over here. You have a nice small ball peen hammer, and you have your large ratchet and large sockets on the other side, going all the way up to 19 and all the way down to 10 millimeter in sizes. This is a nice kit. It is a kit that is great to have in the house, car, wherever you need to be at. It's adjustable into different types of pliers for plumbing work and so forth. And everything, again, has a spot for it. It's a nice two-tone color. I hope this is a kit that you may be looking for. I hope it's a product that may interest you in the future. So here you have everything all put back into place. There's a spot for every single tool in here. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.